Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the next move for the appeal court will either to be reduction of the sentencing, viewers and subscribers. Now, Vybz Kartel has been incarcerated for the last 9 years, viewers and subscribers. But if we are to take into consideration the fact that in some prisons, I am not officially sure right now, talk to me in the comment section if you know, if we calculate days spent behind the bars in prison as night and day, meaning say 1 day would practically count as 2 days, which would mean Vybz Kartel has spent a significant more amount of time behind the bars. No reduction, we not depend on that. We not care about no time reduction unless they are going to factor in time already spent behind the bars. Now, the risk of an appeal is the time spent behind the bars while the appeal process is being processed, for better words, that time is never added to your time. Meaning say, if the appeal process take 10 years, that 10 years will just be a 10 years we're just gone. Then we'll never factor in that 10 years and say, well, then you have spent 10 years, so we're going to take that back. No. That is why we were saying from day one, so them need to hurry up with the appeal and give the verdict. No, them give you a verdict, but we are in no agreement with their verdict, and their verdict is to affirm the already given verdict. So them basically not do nothing. Privy Council would think there, and no doubt a judge residing in a first world country will definitely give our judges this case fresh eyes. Now, someone also pointed out, remember, keep into mind, the justice system is representing the justice system. So, I guess when Miss Nita Robertson said she didn't expect a victory, she was saying that she knows that basically these judges would look out for the other judge. And the fact that this was the ruling handed out, them now go against it. Them no want to paint a picture against the justice system, viewers and subscribers. Now people are wondering, what will the sentence look like? Will they adjust the sentencing? Will they give the teacher a 10 year? Being say, him could have followed out in a 4 to 5 with good behavior. And they have never had no farmer, the teacher go on with nothing while there, except the charges what them always are bring towards him, same not following the rules. Recently them talk about phone thing. Now you see why them bring up these things, and I say, oh, phone fine, phone rare, phone this, you might go live on without proof. And I say a long time them here say that it wasn't the fact that them I say him go live that particular time or that moment. Them say a long time them a ear say it means them a try to paint a certain picture, saying the artist is not following the rules and guidelines. We don't want you not no reduction. We don't want you not no reduce. We don't care about their ruling, viewers and subscribers, because in our point of view, what them I say was not only unlawful in our point of view, but also basically them just cover for them friend. If you have better choice of words, them just basically a cover for them friend. So I would say Privy Council is the only option. Privy Council is the only option, viewers and subscribers. Majority of these, I would say, stakeholders in this current situation have already made their minds up about Vybz Kartel. So, no matter the evidence, or the fact, or the lack of evidence, they may already decide, say, yo, you know what? To release this individual would be showing internationally, say, boy, the justice system on the island is basically somewhat of a joke. But also what them now factor in is, if an international court is to also give the same ruling, saying that this situation was handled badly, then it would also speak volumes internationally, saying basically the same thing. Our justice system looks like somewhat of a joke. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. And if them feel like, say, giving us this news during what go on right now, if them feel like, say, this would have get us down, that is never our direction. Our move settings, fam, and we don't need a ladder to get there. We stand strong, firm. As a matter of fact, legal counsel as we speak is already being retained in England. So we already are make moves, we are moved forward. There will be a break slightly while everything is being documented. Oh, remember the judges say when they look over the case and they look over the initial trial, whole heap of documentation. Now, the initial trial plus this appeal proceeding have to be added together. Whole heap of paperwork. And a whole heap of paperwork, and that all has to be gathered together by the defense and then sent internationally. And that's something got me overnight. But one thing for sure though, we are making the moves towards it. And that's the good news, viewers and subscribers. But as to it, near enough people are talk about sentence. Unless them are going to say, boy, the teacher spent this amount of years behind the bars and we can never give you back. Days gone. So we're going to factor that in and we're going to adjust the sentence based on that. Other than that, no. Other than that, no, viewers and subscribers. We are in no form of agreement with what they must say. No time. Talk to me in the comment section though. Let me know what you expect. Do you expect them to reduce the artist's time sentence significantly? Or you feel like say no? Just as though them decide say them are gonna affirm the original ruling. You feel like them will just continue with the sentence as well and say that that is a very fitting sentence? Would they really do something like that? Well then again, it matters not because of Privy Council within them. We are taking this international. I guess our justice system could not cope with, you know what I mean, the strain of the backlog of situations we already before the courts, and this situation, this particular case, a case of this magnitude. Because remember, even ministers have their case in well, I'm not sure if it's reached appeal stage yet, but them already make talk. The education minister already make talks. So whatever the ruling is, in plan for appeal. So them have only for high profile situations. Let's just say it as that. But Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, in my own personal opinion, no. With the cross examination, as a matter of fact, when them use them say the vice notes. Then the fact that the phone was tampered with, wouldn't that mean that the vice notes would now become irrelevant? Because if the device that the vice notes were recovered from was tampered with, then I would have said the vice notes them overall should have been not admissible. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too. So if I like, we drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. So you can tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, also join the discussion, because the comment section, yes, the comment section is always open 24/7 no matter when. Yes, in the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. So drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And for those who know the sentiments and those who don't, my sentiments for you, I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again, viewers and subscribers.